Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve class 9 chapter 3 polynomial. Classify the following polynomial as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So question is given. First question is given 2x square plus 3x plus 1. See, first we will write what is linear. Linear consider as a 1 degree and quadratic 2 and cubic consider as a 3. In linear 1 degree, quadratic 2 and cubic 3. So first equation is what given. It's a trinomial. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is given. Okay, now here as you can see here the variable 2x square is given. So 2 is what? Degree. Here 2. Okay, now here 3x with variable means 1 as a degree. Here coefficient number means 0. So here, now here bigger degree is what? 2. So here this is a, therefore it is quadratic polynomial. Okay, it's a quadratic polynomial. Now second is what? Second equation is given 5p. Okay, after seeing this is what? It's a one term, means it's a monomial. Okay, this is called monomial. And as you can see, p, the variable is what? There is no degree. If there is no degree, we will consider as 1. Okay, we consider this as a 1. So this is called, therefore it is a linear polynomial. Third is given square root 2y minus 1 upon 2. Here also we consider this. If we remove the radical sign, the variable 2y will consider as without degree it is 1. So here half with it's just a coefficient, so we'll take as a 0. So here also it is a, therefore it is linear polynomial with 1 degree. Okay, now fourth one is, so here you can see m cube, it's a 3 with degree. Here 2 degrees, here 1, and this one with coefficient number, so it is 0. Bigger degree is what? 3. So it is a, it's a cubic, therefore it's a cubic polynomial. Now fifth one is a square. Okay, a square means what is the power we are having, what is the degree we are having? That is 2. So therefore it is quadratic polynomial. Okay, now sixth one is 3r cube. Okay, here degree is what? Cube, so therefore it is cubic polynomial. I hope you understand what is linear, quadratic and cubic and the degree. Once you understand the degree, means polynomial is very easy to understand. See, now question number 6 is given, write in standard form. Standard form means in particular correct order we have to write this equation. For example, here m cube means 3. Here 3 means coefficient number, that is having 0 value, okay, with 0 degree, sorry, not value, 0 degree. And here 5m with no degree means if it is with variable we will write as a 1. So here you can see 301k, we have written 301. So we have to write this in correct order, and the order should be 310. So I am writing in that order. So here the equation will come m cube plus 5m plus 3. This is the standard form. Now next question, second is given minus 7y plus, next question, the second one is given minus 7y, here degree is what, 1, y 5, here degree is 5, 3y cube, here degree is 3, here half means we'll consider as 0, then again 4, then here the power or degree is 2. Now we have to write this in standard form, that will be first 5 means y 5 plus second fourth one is what, 2y4 again plus 3y cube, again the next one after 3 2 minus y square, okay, again minus the first one minus 7y, at the last minus half which is 0. So this is a standard form of this equation. We have finished question number 6. So here as you can see what is given, question number 7, write the following polynomial in coefficient form. So here we have to write the polynomial in coefficient form. So here what is given, x cube minus 2 is given, okay. Now here without variable x cube is given, so we'll consider this as a 1 minus 2, okay. Now in between here as you can see x cube is given, so we will write x cube, okay. After x cube what will come, plus 0x square plus, because no variables there, so I am writing 0 here, 0x1, so there is no need to write 1 but I am writing so that you should understand, then minus 2, okay. So here we have written x cube plus 0x square plus 0x1, this is the order in between, which the missing order in between, whatever the missing order between this I have written here. So now we are writing its coefficient form is, I am writing in bracket 1 0, okay, 0, then minus 2, okay, 0 0 minus 2, it's a coefficient form of x cube minus 2, okay. Therefore I am writing, next question is 5y, it's a monomial, only one term is given. So here nothing is given, so we will consider as a plus 0. Okay, and 0 is what? It's a coefficient. And here 5y, so 5 to 0, and 0 means it's the end of that order. So here I'm writing its coefficient form is 5 and 0. And the third one, what is given? 2m power is 4 here minus 3m square plus 7. Now here you can see here 4. Now here 2m4 minus 3m square plus 7 is given. Here 2m4 plus 0, I'm writing the between number of missing between numbers, so 0m cube. Okay, after 0 what will come? Again the minus 3m square, again plus 0 m, then again plus 7 will come. Okay, as you can see here m square, then m cube, then m4, now m cube, m square plus 0m plus 7 is given. So here therefore its coefficient form is 2, 0 minus 3, 0, 7. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 5, that is minus 2 upon 3. So here, see here the power is what? 0. So therefore it coefficient form is minus 2 upon 3 itself. I hope you understand. Now we are going to solve question number 8. That is, the next question is given, write the polynomial in standard form. Okay, so what is given? Question number 1, 2 and 3. See, we have already solved the same question number 6 of practice set 3.1 of question number 6. It's just a reverse question of question number 6. This is the reverse question of question number 6. Now here, as you can see, what is given? 1 given, 2 and 3 is given. Okay, so when now here, as you can see, what is given? 1, 2, 3 is given. So here the number of coefficient is what? Coefficient is 3. Okay, and a degree of polynomial 2. Okay, so answer will be the standard form. The standard form is x square plus 2x plus 3. This is the standard form of 1, 2, 3. Okay, the number of coefficient we got 3, a degree of polynomial is 2, so the degree of polynomial is 2, and what we got, the standard form is x square means 1, 2x 2 plus 3. This is the answer for first one. Now what is question? 5 0 0 0 minus 1 is given. So here the number of coefficient is, the number of coefficient is 5, and here degree of polynomial is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, now we got the number of coefficient as 5 and degree of polynomial is 4. So here the standard form is now 5x 4 minus 1. So this is the standard form of this question number 2. Now we are going to solve question number 3, that is minus 2, 2, again minus 2 and then 2. So here as you can see, minus 2 and 2 is given, again the minus 2 and plus 2 is given. So the number of, here the number of coefficient is 4. Okay, number of coefficient is 4. Here degree of polynomial is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, now here therefore the standard form is minus, here I am writing minus 2x, degree is what, cube, plus 2x, again minus 2x plus 2. This is the standard form of question number 3. See, write the appropriate polynomial in the boxes. Here quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, linear polynomial, binomial and trinomial and monomial is given. We have to write the correct equation under the correct content. So I am writing. So first is what? First is, please refer page number 40. So I am writing here the first one, quadratic polynomial. So then this 3x square plus 5x okay, it will come quadratic means the degree of 2 is important here. So we are having here 2 as a degree, so it will come as a quadratic polynomial. The second one is This is the first. Second is 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Okay, now second equation, second content, that is cubic polynomial. Here the first, what is will come, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. Okay, this is the first equation. Why? Because here cube consider as a degree. The power is what? 3 here. So it will come under cubic polynomial. And second is x cube plus 9. This is the second equation of cubic polynomial. Why? Because here also power is what? 3. 3 is what? Cube. The third one, third is what? Linear polynomial. So here answer is x plus 7. Okay, because there is only 1 degree. The power is only 1 here, so it's considered as a linear polynomial. The fourth one, binomial. Here binomial means the terms are 2 terms. For example, x plus 7. Next one is 3x square plus 5x. And the third one is x cube plus 9. Okay, this come under binomial. I am writing fifth one, that is trinomial. In trinomial, 3 terms come, 2x square plus 5x plus 10. 3 terms are there, so it is called trinomial. So it will come under trinomial. The sixth one is monomial. Here monomial means only 1 term come, that is x square. So we have finished practice set 3.1 of polynomial. I hope you understand. It is very easy once you understand what is degree. Once you understand what is degree and what is power, polynomial is very easy for you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.